बहुत ज़रूरी ये है कि आप कैरेक्टर्स को जानें, उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी को जानें, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज़ ड्रिवन विद द कैरेक्टर एंड द ऑडियंस दैट वॉचेस द कैरेक्टर एंड ऑफ कोर्स कीपिंग इन माइंड दैट जो भी आप बनाएं दैट शुड create an impact for the character which has already created such a big impact on the audience. It's fantastic to be designing for such a brilliant couple, such a handsome couple I would say. She is very pretty. And when I saw her the first time and everybody was raving and saying Drishti, this, that and the works, and she did full justice to what everybody spoke about and what she does and the way she enacts her character is simply brilliant, and so is Vivin. He is RK is just another milestone in the history of television, I guess.
एक एक्टर के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है कि वो क्या पहन रहा है, बिकॉज एक्टिंग इज़ नॉट everything. You need to wear good clothes so people like you and your character, and there's a certain style to a character, there's an edge to a character. If you get a good designer, and of course if you get Neeta Lulla, please I just stop right here. It's all sorted, it's all done. बहुत ज़्यादा embroidery और बहुत ज़्यादा loud कपड़े पसंद नहीं आते हैं. I'm a very even in my real life I think I don't experiment with all the possible wild colors, as they say. So I like to keep it simple.
When I saw the outfit hanging in my room, I was like, man, this is heavy. And then they told me that I'll have to wear it for a lot of days, and I'm like, I don't know if I'll be able to wear it for so many days because I have a back problem. I was like, how am I going to walk with this? They're like, just try it and then you see what you want to do. And जब मैंने try किया, I swear by God, I didn't want to remove the outfit. Like, I wasn't supposed to wear the dupatta initially, and I was like, no, put the dupatta, it's looking very pretty. So I was only looking at myself the entire day. That's how gorgeous the dress is.
हाल फिलहाल तो मैं मधु को एक आउटफिट दे रहा हूँ शादी का, जो आरके भी एक सुपरस्टार है और नीता लुला जी इंडस्ट्री की टॉप डिज़ाइनर है, तो उन्होंने आरके ने उनसे एक आउटफिट डिज़ाइन करवाया स्पेशली मधु के लिए, जो वो मधु को देगा और मधु शादी में पहनेगी. कि जब तक ड्रामा नहीं होगा तो आप देखेंगे कैसे सब कुछ अच्छा, सब कुछ सिंपल, सब कुछ प्लेन. हाउ वुड यू लाइक इट? सो यू नेवर नो क्या होता है आगे. जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच.
Salman Khan is coming? No, I don't know. But if he does, then I'm sorry, I will not be getting married to RK. I'll be getting married to Salman Khan.
I need another pose.